everyone. Hello grade 6. Let's complete to the second lesson in this video. We talked before about in the last video how to explain the first lesson, how to divide any numbers divided by 1 digit or 2 digit by using a standard algorithm. Okay, and we learn it by definitions of the division equation. Today, let's learn together. Listen to factorizing a number to its prime factor. Factorizing number to its prime factor. Mister, I took this lesson in grade 5 and in grade 4 I learned it before about the prime factor. I know that the prime factor, it's any number has only 2 factors. Yes, but you must to remember that any number more than 1, because 1 it's not a prime number, because 1 is a factor of all number. So the prime number is any number more than 1 that has only 2 factors, 1 and the number of itself. Okay, we can take here factorize by 24 into prime factors. We have all of the following are true and we can get the same result. We have 3 ways. You can make the tree here. 24, someone tell you 4 times 6. Yes, and 4 it's not a prime number and 6 it's not a prime number. So we can compose it again here. 4 it's equal 2 times 2, so we can circle by 2 and 2 here. 6 and 2 times 3, so we have a prime number 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. It's a prime factor for 24. And another student tell me 3 times 8, but 3 is a prime number. Yes, and 8 it's not a prime number. We can compose it into 2 times 4. 2 it's a prime number, but 4 it's not a prime number, it's a composite. So we can compose it here into 2 prime number, 2 times 2, so and circle it. So we have 24. We can write it 24 in prime factorization. 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. We have here 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Here it's also true. We know that in multiplication it's our commutative equation. Yes. And the third way we have, I can say that 2 times 12. Yes, 2 it's a prime number, so we can circle it. And 12 it's a composite number, so we can compose it into 3 times 4. 3 it's a prime number and 4 we can compose it 2 times 2. But mister, can I compose it 2 times 6? Yes, 2 it's a prime number and 6 you can compose it in 2 times 3. Yes, and we have for all of this way, we can get the same result by 24. It's equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. All of this number are prime factors. All of this number are prime factors. Yes. Here, how to find the greatest common factor and the least common multiple by using a Venn diagram. What is the meaning of Venn diagram? Yes, I took it Venn diagram in grade 3. Here we have to circle. I can touch it and intersect it to each other to make a common factor between of them. Let's learn it together. Here, preload example we have. Find the GCF and LCM for 18 and 12 using Venn diagram. First one, factorize the two numbers in their prime factors. We have here 18, 6 times 3, 3 is a prime number, and 6, 3 times 2. So we have here 18, it's equal to 2 times 3 times 3. It's a prime factors. But 12 here, 4 times 3. 3 is a prime number, but 4 it's a composite number. We can compose it 2 times 2. So we have here 12, 2 times 2 times 3. Here, draw 2 circles and a circle for prime factor of each other. So we can make 2 intersecting circles. We have circle 18 and circle 12. And we can write here in this empty between of 2 circles the common factor. The common factors here. The prime common factors. So we have here, I have here 2 and 2. 3 and 3. So I can write here 2 and 3. And the 18, the remainder number, and the remainder number here 3. But in 12, 2. Yes, it's a Venn diagram to write the two numbers here as the same for like that. And the fourth steps here we have the greatest common factor. It's a product of the number in this common circle. The product of this number in the common circle. We have 2 and 3, so 2 times 3 equal 6. That's the GCF, greatest common factor. But what about for LCM, least common multiple? Yes, I can make least common multiple by the product of all these numbers. The product of all these numbers. 3 times 2 times 3 times 2. But Mister, I have here 2 and 3 in 18 once and another in 12 once. Can I repeat it? No, you mustn't repeat it the common factors here. You can take at once short, please. So I can product this number once time. Okay, here 3 times 2 equals 6, and 3 times 2 equals 6, 6 times 6 equals 36. So that we have LCM is 36. So we can find any two numbers, the GCF between two numbers and the LCM between two numbers by using this Venn diagram. Okay, let's go to a new definition for this lesson. Relatively prime numbers. What about for relatively prime numbers? I know that a prime numbers هو any numbers has only two factors, one and itself there. Okay, but what about for relatively prime numbers? هو they are numbers whose only common factors is one. They are numbers, any two numbers, and whose only common factor is 1. So they are prime numbers with respect to each other. So I can say that any two composite number have between the greatest common factor is 1. The greatest common factor is 1. For example here 4 and 9. I can factorize 4 in prime factors 2 times 2. But 9 3 times 3. Yes, so I can draw here this Venn diagram 4 2 times 2 and 9 3 times 3. We doesn't have any number here common between of them. So any number doesn't have between common of them, we can take 1, because any number times 1 equals the same number. Any number times 1 equals the same number. So when there is no prime factor in the common part, then GCF equal 1. Then GCF equal 1 here. So 4 and 9 are two relatively prime numbers. 4 and 9 are two relatively prime numbers. But 4 is a composite number because I have 3 factors, 1 and 2 and 4. 9 is a composite number also. So because have 3 factors, 1 and 3 and 9. But 4 and 9 between together with respect to each other together is a relatively prime number. So we can define the relatively prime number is any number that whose between of them common factor is equal 1. That's our lesson today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel of MBS. Thank you, grade 6.